Hello everyone, I'm Supritha Harishankar, an Electronics and Communication Engineering undergraduate student at National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Before we get started with today's Influx talk, here's a little bit about myself. One quirk of mine is that I absolutely hate people cracking their knuckles. I hate the sound, it really creeps me out. And a funny and not so serious achievement of mine in life is that I once won a competition where I was asked to scream the loudest and I won a tiffin box for the same. So without further ado, let's get started.
I'll be focusing on something that's very important to digital marketing strategies these days, and that is search engines. A very powerful tool, I must say. So let's get started and know more about the power of search. One of the earliest search engines was a program called Archie, which debuted in 1990 and allowed people to access and search file names, basically the names of the web pages. But Archie couldn't tell you what was on those pages. Fast forward a few decades, and search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com, AOL, Baidu, and Yandex have come a long way. Their designs keep getting better. These search engines use incredibly sophisticated computer programs to sort through a massive number of web pages. Most search engines basically work in the same way. When a person wants to find something, they type in a word or phrase called a search query. Then the search engine compares that query to its catalog of web pages, pulling out the best matches to show the searcher. These are displayed on a search results page. Their goal is to create the most relevant list of results possible to help searchers find what they are looking for. The results page includes links to websites, but you might also see local business listings, items for sale, advertisements, images, maps, videos, and more. So, how does this apply to businesses who want to establish their presence online? Well, imagine you own a pizza restaurant. If someone searches for pizza restaurant Bangalore, you can appear right in front of them. Now, that's a perfect opportunity. The words entered into the search engine indicate the searcher is interested in your products and services right now. Isn't search a great place to be? It's a way to target people who are already looking for you. Don't just take my word for it. Many marketers will tell you that search is essential to their online marketing strategy, and the numbers back this up. If you're a business and are interested in promoting products and services online, being on search is a must these days. Have you ever wondered how search engines sort through the entire internet so quickly and choose the results you see on the page? Let's look at the basics of how web pages are found. Each search engine uses its own software programs, but the way they work is pretty similar. They all perform three tasks. First, they examine content they learn about and have permission to see. That is called crawling. Computer programs called bots hop from page to page, visiting and revisiting pages, looking for new links and new content to include in the index. Indexing is the second part of the process. It is where each piece of content is categorized. The index is a gigantic list of all the web pages and content found by the bots. The search engine uses this index as a source of information displayed on the search results page. The third part is ranking, where they decide which content is most useful to the searcher. The way search engines rank pages is a top secret. Their special sauce, you can call it. There are hundreds of ways search engines determine rank, including things like the words on the page, the number of other websites linking to it, and the freshness of the content. But no matter what formula they use to determine rank, the goal remains the same: to try to connect the searcher with what they are looking for. Now, let me explain what organic or unpaid results are. We'll find out what search engine optimization, or SEO for short, means, and discover how good website content affects organic search results. Okay, let's get started. Let's come back to your pizza restaurant business and imagine that you've just started offering authentic pizza sauce jars sourced all the way from Italy. You know there must be people in Bangalore who would enjoy this international kitchen item and are maybe even searching for it right now. So, how do you help them find you? Well, When someone searches for something using a search engine, the results page they see contains a list of organic or unpaid results, which typically appear in the center of the page. They are the best matches for the search query or words that were typed in. Results pages will also display advertisements or paid results, though they'll be separate and labeled as ads. Although organic results and ads appear on the same page, there's one big difference. There's no cost to appear in the organic results. Websites do not and cannot pay to appear here. So how can you improve your website's chances of appearing in the unpaid results? It all comes down to quality. Think of it this way. If you can help the search engine decide that your website is what people are searching for, you're in good shape. Making improvements to your website to help it appear in the organic results is called search engine optimization or SEO. Good SEO involves helping a search engine find and understand your site. So what do search engines like? Good and relevant content. Think about exactly what your pizza restaurant's potential customers might be searching for. If they want a jar of pizza sauce, they might search for those words. But that's a pretty broad search and could also mean a searcher is looking for a recipe or an image and maybe even the history of how pizza sauce originated. Understanding that, it would probably be more useful for you to focus on appearing on searches for homemade pizza sauce in Bangalore, your city. So your focus might be to create relevant original content that reinforces the how, that your sauce is made from scratch by Italian pizza chefs, and the where, that your jars are available at your restaurants or delivered to certain areas. This can help your website appear on searches and won't cost you a thing. Now, I'll cover how advertising on search engines works, and that is called SEM or search engine marketing. Imagine you live in Bangalore, you're out shopping and craving for a slice of delicious pizza. You pull out your mobile phone and search for Pizza Restaurant Bangalore. Now we have a page full of options to consider. Some of these results are selected by the search engine's organic formula. The other section are ads. If you take a moment to compare the ads you see to those in a print magazine, you might notice one big difference. Every ad is for a pizza restaurant and nothing unrelated. So how exactly does search engine advertising work? Let's take a look at one popular model, the text ads you see on the results page. Every time someone searches, advertisers compete for the opportunity to display ads and only the winners appear on the page. So who wins? The primary components are the bid and the quality. The bid is a maximum amount an advertiser is willing to pay for a click on an ad. If someone clicks the ad, the advertiser is charged an amount equal to or sometimes less than the bid. So if an advertiser bids say 20 rupees for a keyword, that's the most they would pay for a single ad click. If an ad shows on the page but no one clicks, it doesn't cost the advertiser anything at all. Bids are important, yes, but so is quality. Search engines reward ads and keywords with strong relevance to the search. In fact, it's possible that relevant ads with good content can win higher spots in the search results page, even with lower bids. In some cases, no matter how high a bid is, a search engine will not display the ad if it's irrelevant. To summarize, with a well-constructed search advertising campaign and improving your organic reach as well, you can reach customers at the very moment they're looking for what you offer. Do you want to learn more about SEO and SEM? Check out the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course certified by Google, a very well-structured 40-hour beginner's course. Apart from SEO and SEM, I learned about display advertising, making the best use of social media, content marketing, working with web traffic, selling products and services online, and taking a business global. So I hope you enjoyed today's Influx Talks and learned something new.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click on the bell button as to not miss out any content. Contact us here.